Hi, baby. Hi. How cute you are. Hi. Here, you can have my thumb. Does it taste good? Oh, nothing's coming out, is it? No. There's nothing coming out of here. No, there's not. Oh, you're going to stomp at me too? Huh? You think that's going to make something come out? Hmm? Yeah. I don't have anything for you. You got to go talk to your mama for that. Yeah. You got to go talk to your mama. Hi. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. Yes, you are. You're so cute. Oh, great. Hi. Okay, okay. Look at how cute you are. Where are you going? Whoops, you almost fell down. Be careful. You better be careful. Hi. Be careful, don't fall down. Hi, baby. Hi. Hi. What's the matter? Are you stomping at me? You got an attitude for a little guy that's only about 4 days old. Yeah, you have a pretty bad attitude. Yeah. Do you think I'm supposed to chase you? Oh, you're going to bite me now? Huh? No, you still want to chew on my fingers. Okay, come here. There. All right. There. Oh, there. You're so cute. Oh, goodness sakes. You're so cute. I don't have anything for you. You better go talk to Mama. Yeah. Okay. What are you doing? You better put that foot down. Do you like my coat? Huh? You gonna take my coat? Huh? Do you think you need my coat? Hi, baby. Okay. Oh no! Put that leg down. You quit your kicking. You can't kick. You have to be nice. Honey, if you're that hungry, you gotta go find your mom, because I don't have anything for you. Go find your mommy. Where'd your mommy go? Huh? Go find your mommy. Go find your mommy. Huh? Are you gonna be nice to me now? Are you gonna be nice? No, you're not. No. No, you can't have my camera. No, 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 no. You can't have my camera. You damn fool. Quit now. Go find your mommy. You better not kiss me. But now you got my hair. Do you like my hair? Do you like my hair? Yeah. Where's your mama? Huh? Where's your mama? Where's your mama? I'm not the mama. Oh, go ahead. Oh, don't kick. You are not being a nice baby. That is not nice.